Hey guys, it's Jim from Import Image Racing, and on this week's Product Peek, we have a product that needs no introduction. But hey, we're going to give it one anyway because that's what we're here to do. Let's welcome the Cobb Accessport for the 6-speed manual VB chassis Subaru WRX. Hallelujah! So let's start by unboxing this bad boy. And just as I thought, no stranger to the game, we have the Cobb Accesport in this nice cover, zip-up cover here that has all of the padding, all of this, nice danger to manifold sticker here. Your quick start guide, and here we go, the good stuff, the stuff we're here for, the actual Accessport itself. Nothing much has changed here. It's still the V3 style. It's built to quality just like the rest. It does have a magnet on the back, so if you do need to stick it to something, you can. Speaking of sticking it to something, if we open our accessories box here, we have this little 3M tape stick-on mount, which I'm going to get to in just a second. So the guys at Import Image wanted me to tell you that if you buy this through the website or by calling us up on the phone, we can bundle this 3D printed dash mount for the Accessport, which is a super killer way for you to be able to monitor all your parameters hands-free without having to dangle this thing around. Oh, and look, check it out. That Cobb tuning flight tank. You gotta love this thing. Not only does the Accessport allow you to check codes and view important data, but the off-the-shelf performance maps help you pump up the performance on these more than capable FA24s. What kind of performance should you expect? Well, that all depends on your fuel choice, modifications, and goals. Tuners around the country have unlocked big horsepower numbers and fast track times, so comment below if you or somebody you know has already broken an awesome goal. So that wraps up this week's Product Peek for the Cobb Accessport for the 6-speed manual VB chassis WRX. For more products just like this and thousands of others, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we will catch you on the next one.